Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And we are going to do events, electric type training event, co-op mode. And we're gonna do it in just one video, face the crashing waves hard. Electric type Pokemon in our team. Let's just place How in front and center. And red somewhere in there. Kind of don't want to remove red from my team. Sophocles, let's just go for this. Everyone's using How, guys.
Witness my true devotion.
Let's remove Auto. Discharge.
Going all out. Going all out. You can do it. Show them a battle.
Come on, everyone, just use Discharge.
Going all out. You can do it. Now's my chance. Going all out. You can do it. The wind has stopped. You can do it. Now's my chance. Taste this.
Kill him.
Go! Now's my chance. You can do it. Show them a battle. Watch out! Go! Go!
Unity Max.
Come on! Wow! All in!
And we have won, guys. The battle is over. Moving on to the next level.
That was a lot of fun.
Moving on, guys. Finish. Finish. Very hard. Master the Fierce Whirlpool. Same team. You know what? I'm not sure if red will kill them faster, but I've seen Reddit and people go like, please don't use red, please don't use red. Okay, we won't use red in here or in the legendary event. No, too late. We already used red in the legendary event.
Witness my true devotion.
Sync Orb Chance. Discharge. Let's just use it.
Now's my chance. Go! Now's my chance.
Now just quickly increase our speed.
Here's my chance. Now's my chance. Now's my chance. I got this. Go! Going all out. Now's my chance. Going all out. Going all out. Go! Going all out.
Cool, everyone's paralyzed.
Show them a battle.
I wonder if how Syncrid is out yet. It would be cool if we could give how, I forgot what the name of the Syncrid thing is, but you know, the increased percentage of inflicting status conditions. That would be very good with Discharge. Like super good with Discharge. We're gonna use a sync move. Oh no. Oh no. We're not using a sync move. Maybe Clowitzer. Is that a Clowitzer? Would die in this attack. Oh yes, sync move time. There you have it. 1 or 25 co-op sync orbs. Thank you so much.
All right. That was a lot of fun.
Cool. And moving on. Thank you for the gems once again. Allow me to take a short break to check if House Syncgrid is already available. Yes, it is, guys. Yes, it is. Once per battle, radically raises the user's speed when in a pinch. Inertia. X special attack. Feel the Alolan breeze. Stamina reserves. Agile entry. Oh my gosh. Very interesting. Discharge has a moderately good chance of increasing. Don't you have it? Ramming speed. The more it powers up moves. Guys, I'm not sure. I don't think How has the thing that increases the chance of inflicting status conditions. That is sad though. That would be very helpful. Unless that's in a lucky skill. Let me just check what it's called. I wonder who has it. Forgot. Here you go, guys. Hostile environment raises the chance of inflicting status conditions with the additional effects of moves. I think one more character has something like that. I forgot who it is. I forgot who. I really forgot who. Someone that causes confusion. Oh, I remember now. This guy. Probably not the Syncgrid, but passive skills. Aggravation. Raises the chance of inflicting the flinching, confused, trap condition. Oh, I see. It only does flinching, confusion, or trapping. But as for status conditions, hostile environment is the thing. Okay. Going back. Electric type training event. Best. The Merciless Sea. Super hard. Let's do it.
All right.
Alessa.
My true devotion.
Discharge.
You can do it. Ready to be done? What?
Increase my speed.
Show them a battle.
Now's my chance. Work it. Watch this. Now's my chance.
Strong.
Roll up. Work it. Ready to be done? Roll up.
Strong. Awesome.
Careful.
Oh no.
You know what to do. You know
Oh no.
They're pretty tough.
Poor you.
All right, let's go. Ready to be stung? You can do it. Now's my chance.
Taste this.
How dare you hit me?
Ready to be stung? Now's my chance. You can do it. You know what to do.
I might die here. Or maybe not. Let's do one final hit before I die.
The wind has turned. You can do it. You know what to do.
Show them
I might die. I dead. I died.
Work it.
It's showtime.
Not exactly sure why I have Grimsy right now. But good. He's dead. And if I'm not mistaken, that's all
Hey.
Co-op has to offer.
Try it.
Now we just have to repeat and farm vouchers, farm a lot of vouchers, finish every stage, and that's it. Finish all the missions, collect all the items. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video.